welcome to our Alibaba online show. And this is Scarlett from AbiHype Technology. Today I'm going to take you visit our factory and hope you can enjoy this tour with me. And to award all the projects to our factory, we have to mention the excellent management of fabrication procedures and our workers who are really skillful and well treated. And first of all, you can see the CNC cutting machine. And after the shop drawing settled, here will help us to prepare all the material to finish the cutting and to move on to the next stop for very accurate speed. And you can see here in this workshop, we have three drawing machine and two auto arm drawing machine. And when the workers doing their job, our inspector will work together to guarantee all the whole position very accurately. And okay, let's see. After the assemble of all the material parts, we can see the grinding and welding section of our factory. Okay, follow me. 你录了吗？录下来。这也太远了。这也太远了。那要不然就这吧。
对，我感觉是，我可以用那个放那个电漂变到那边去。
这太远了，在那边呢。
妈呀，这完全看不见。
那就在这儿吧，然后我从这儿跑到那边再试试。行，我俩得先跑一下路啊。我们3分钟好像这地方有点太大了。你在那边。
3分钟。
嗯。我在这儿哈。啊，对。
要不先完整来一遍吧。
行。
就那边的就不来了，就直接
行。Hello everyone, welcome to our Alibaba online show, and this is Scarlett from AbiHype Technology. And today I'm going to take you visit our factory and hope you can enjoy this tour with me. To award all the projects to our factory, we must mention the excellent management of the product procedures and the workers who are really skillful and well treated. And first of all, we can see the CNC cutting machine over there. And after the shop drawing settled, we can prepare all the material cutting here and to move on the next stop very accurate and speedily. And in the right side, you can see the drawing machine. When they are working, our inspector will work together with our workers to make sure all the holes of the position very accurate. And okay, after the assemble of all the material parts, we can see the grinding and the welding section of our factory. And after the work finished, our welder are all certificate, and the welding line has no problem to meet the AWSD 1.1 standard. And here over there, we can see in the workshop we have a shot glass machine and our painting area. After the work, all the steel material could meet the SA 2.5 standard and to the coating requirements. Okay, today we have a brief introduction and wave on our workshop. How is it? Have you enjoyed the time with us? And if you have any inquiry, welcome to contact us. And our sales department will be very glad to do some support. And thank you guys. Well, see you very soon.